Hey guys, how are you? This is for my praise and worship crowd. So, I'm having a conference here in Waco, Texas, a praise and worship conference. And if you are someone that would like to attend that, you can send me an email to easypianolessons@yahoo.com. EASY piano lessons plural at yahoo.com. The conference is going to be 3 days. We're going to have a songwriting workshop. We're going to learn how to take a hymn and turn it into a praise and worship atmosphere, how to actually lead a praise and worship service, and many other things, all praise and worship, how to play with other people, how to listen and learn a song by ear, all that good stuff. I've been doing this my whole life, and I want to pass on all of that knowledge to you guys. So if you're a beginner, intermediate, and you just want to come and play with us, we're going to have a big praise and worship night, the final day of the conference. It's going to be in November. And again, just send me an email if you're interested in that, and I'll give you some details of all that. But it's in Waco. Waco's a wonderful city, home of the Magnolia Empire, Chip and Joanna Gaines, and it really is a wonderful city. Lots of cool things to do, and I really look forward to having you come here and visit. So let me know if you're interested in that, and we'll get going.